Question number 7, can liquid content or can Infusionsoft's dynamic content feature replace the need for decision diamonds? And if you're not familiar with dynamic content, I've got some documentation, some resources that will help explain what that feature does. But effectively what it allows you to do is send one email to your audience, but have different sections of that content hidden or revealed based on what you know about them. So that allows you to be super specific and targeted within your communication so that call to actions are hidden from people who have already taken that action. You could send out a promo for 3 different products, but people will only see the link to buy for the one, or the description or the offer for the ones that they haven't taken, right? This prevents the scenario we've all seen where an offer goes out to somebody who has already taken advantage of it, and then you have to deal with the awkward conversation of why the price has changed or something like that. And the answer to this question is that liquid content, dynamic content, it's super powerful, and it does reduce the need for decision diamonds, but it doesn't completely replace it, because liquid content is only enacted once the email is sent, okay? So that email is going out. Liquid content controls how it looks or which sections are included, whereas the decision diamond branches people into different experiences. So if you want that email skipped entirely, the decision diamond can do that, right? Or if you want to send 3 emails to people who are brand new customers and only 1 to people who have bought before, well, liquid content wouldn't change that experience. It would only change the content within those emails. The decision diamond can route them into separate experiences entirely. So I do think dynamic content is powerful. I don't think it's a direct replacement for decision diamonds. Maybe in a few use cases, but overall, I use decision diamonds when I need people to have completely different experiences, like a different number of touch points or a different pace to the number of emails they're receiving, that type of thing. So that is it for the 7 questions I wanted to cover here on decision diamonds. They are a powerful part of the most powerful feature in both Keap and Infusionsoft, which is the Campaign Builder. If you would like more resources on the Campaign Builder, I've got a Campaign Builder 101 blog post, and if you want a deep dive, exhaustive A to Z approach for understanding that tool, I recommend the CB Trilogy course. Go to cbtrilogy.com to start a free trial or sign up today. If you have any questions about this, if you found it valuable, or if you think I missed anything or have your own take on decision diamonds, let me know in the comments below. Take care.